was a little girl. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn with Shaista S. So friends, in this video we are going to learn about how to create a group dance on Scratch. So let's see the demo of this project. So friends, this is the demo. You have seen that the ballerina and even bat, they are just dancing all together, and even the background sound is also there. So let's learn how I create. So the coding of ballerina is like this. The coding of bat is same, but the motion position has changed, and the coding of backdrop is like this. This is the coding of backdrop. So let's create a new from the new. So we will create a new, and you can take any kind of sound and backdrop, but I will take as my choice. So friends, before seeing this video, please like it if you like this video. So first we will take a two sprite. I have deleted the cat, the regular cat, because I don't want that. I will take it the ballerina from the people category. Even I can take it from all. So I will take this ballerina. And second, I want the bat from the animal category. So I will take the bat from the animals category. So I have taken the bat, and I will just manage its position, and I will increase both sides. I will put it 110 ballerina size also, and even bat size also. Now this is the final look of this. Now I want a backdrop. You can take any kind of backdrop as you want, but I am taking this blue sky. So I have taken this blue sky. So first let's put the coding of this backdrop. So first I will take this when the green flag click, then I will take it forever block, and then I will take a sound of egg. You can take any sound as you want. I am taking egg sound from the loops. Loops category we will get egg sound. Even it's a beautiful sound and it matches to our project. So from the loops we will see where is egg. So this is egg sound. You can listen even. So this is the egg sound, and let's put this from the sound, play sound until then. This is the coding of our backdrop. Next, the coding of ballerina. So first for that we have to take when the green flag click, then we have to hide her from the loop block. So we will take a hide block from the looks category. So we are taking this hide, and then I will take the motion block. So from the motion block I will change its side from -189 and -110. So the x will be -192. So I will do it -192, and the y will be -95. So I have done that. I will drag it, and then I want to repeat it, the repeat 6 times. So I will take this repeat block. I want to repeat 6 times. So I will take it this 6. I want to create the clone of myself, because now only one ballerina is there. I want 6, so that's why I have put in 6. And then I will go in the control block, and I will take it create clone of myself. So because of this block we will get 6 clone of this ballerina. I have put in 6, that's why I will get. You can take anyone. Now I will go on the motion block, and I will take it move 75. So I will take it, I will do it move 75, and I will drag it here. Even you can change its color and as color you want. I will change its color by 25. So I am taking change color effect by 25 from the looks block. So this is I will drag it here. Then this is I have created the clone of myself, but what will happen when I create it? So for that I will go in control block and I will take it when I start as a clone. So I will take this backdrop. So when I start as a clone, from the control block we will take it. It will take for some time to take it from here. So now I have taken this when I start as a clone from the control block. Even I don't want this repeat until block, but I am taking when I start as a clone. So with that, when the clone will start, so what will happen? So it will show, the ballerina will show. So she will, before that she hide, but now she will look us, and then I will go on the control block and I will take it forever block, and then I will wait her for 0.5 second, means 5 second. After one step she will wait for 5 seconds, and then I want her next costume. So there are how many costume is here of ballerina, we will see. So yeah, there are 4 costumes, so I don't want to put each and every one. I just simply go on the look and I will take it this next costume. You can see here, so all the costume will appear. Now the same coding will be of this bed, but I will copy it here and the motion will be changed. So this also I will copy it. So now I copy this when I start as a clone. I don't want that one. So yeah, now I don't want the same position. I will remove this one. Now go to X192 and I will take it another. So I will go in the motion block and I will change its size. I will change its position. So the X will be minus 180. Our X will be minus 180, and the Y will be, now I will stop it, and the Y will be 50. So I will do it 50, and I have done the coding of that. Even the sound is also there. Now I will save this project. When it will save, so we will see the full screen page finally. So you can see this is our group dance. Even you can give a title to this. So I am going to give group dance. So I am just doing this group dance. I will take it. I have taken this group dance. So friends, as you have seen, I have taken this. These all things happen very properly. All the sprites are going very well. All 6 and bat is going. So friends, this is all about today. If you like this video, so please like it, and if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to ring the bell icon to get my more update at first, and please comment me, tell me in comment section how was this video, and please share it with everyone and learn something new. Thank you so much for watching this video.